Tamworth, Australia, summer 2007. The invaders get nastier. A European-born intruder strikes from the air, and a whole city's held hostage. Nauseating numbers nest in downtown trees. Horrified residents will do anything to take back the streets from an innocent-looking bird that's anything but the starling. With up to 150,000 birds in a single flock, massive numbers equals massive pollution. Native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, starlings were first released on this continent in the 1850s to control crop bugs. They soon took over, eating plants and seeds by the megaton. Starlings are aggressive, fast-breeding, and foul. Fresh fecal matter becomes a projectile missile. The smell is sickening. And it gets worse. Easily inhaled, a natural fungus in the droppings attacks the lungs and body, causing disease and death, and no one knows how to stop them.
Using water cannons, using lighting systems, using strobe lights, using noise deterrents, trying to distract the birds or discourage them from coming and roosting in the main street. To date, that's been largely unsuccessful.
Australia's worst fear? The bird flu. Starlings can carry a deadly virus called H5N1. The strain could contaminate birds, mammals, and eventually humans. No one knows the exact numbers of invasive starlings, but they can infest cities, with single populations numbering 1.5 million, and flocks can contain an astounding 1 million birds at a time. The World Wildlife Fund names starlings as one of the 100 most invasive species on the planet, an unwelcome avian menace.